In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from a GitHub repository. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to navigate to your repository. Head over to your GitHub profile. On your profile page, you'll see an option that says Your Repositories. Give that a click, and you'll see a list of all the repositories that you own or contribute to. Now, find the specific repository that contains the file you want to delete and click on it to open it. Once you're in your repository, it's time to locate the file that you want to get rid of. You may have a lot of folders and files in there, so take a moment to browse through them. Navigate through the folders as necessary until you find the file you wish to delete. When you've found it, go ahead and click on the file to open it. After you've got the file open, look at the top right corner of the file view. You should see a three-dot menu icon there. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Among these options, you'll want to select Delete File. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, after selecting Delete File, you'll be directed to a confirmation screen. This is your chance to double-check that you really want to remove this file from your repository. At the top right of this confirmation screen, you will see a button that says Commit Changes. Click that, and you'll encounter another pop-up where you can enter a commit message. This message is a brief explanation of why you are deleting the file. Something like deleted unused file works well. It's good practice to keep a clear commit message, not just for your own reference, but also so that others looking at your repository understand the changes you've made. Once you've entered your commit message, you're almost done. To finalize the deletion, go ahead and click the Commit Changes button. And that's it. The file is now deleted from your GitHub repository. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, but it can be a little tricky the first time around, so don't worry if you don't get it right on your first try. Just follow these steps again, and you'll be a pro in no time. Remember, deleting files from your repository is a significant action, especially if that file was important. Always make sure that you no longer need the file or have a backup of it somewhere if you think you might. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using GitHub and